I saw all your sparks the whole morning. Yeah, dude, you grounded right down in South Bend. She doesn't even exist. You don't even have mufflers anymore. So we just had the ride up that on the bikes. That was a little interesting. And there's the trail we'll be taking. Trail.
You got the
Oh yeah, I got it. Hold up. Am I what? No, I'm not hooking up no bottom. I ain't no wamp.
watching deer tick habitat. Oh, fuck.
Deer tick habitat. Welcome to Maine.
Wear light colored clothing and tuck pants and socks.
Nice.
You want to tuck our pants and boots now?
No, we ain't no tuck. We're not gay. Daggummit. I sound like Darth Vader in this darn thing.
What?
I said I sound like Darth Vader in this darn thing.
Hold on.
Hang ho, I am your father. Here we go. Oh, some mud ropes. Dual sport life. Bike life. Hike life. Bike like.
They want to resist and not waterproof.
Oh. That's alright though. Some extra hiking ropes in full gear. Said extra hiking ropes in full gear.
Yeah.
They just like.
Fucking...
I would ride my dual sport through this. Straight up. Oh, look at this. Walking path. And a rock. That was smooth. Hiking at its best. Welcome to Maine.
Awesome. Have you ever vaped?
No.
nice hair.
Thanks. Just getting some good view ropes right now.
I'm tempted just to wear this down, just carry my jacket on my shoulders.
Yeah. I'm gonna put my jacket on my backpack on the way back down.
Ah, fuck.
Shouldn't pinch yourself with your helmet.
What?
So don't pinch yourself with your helmet. Some mint view ropes up here on the good old Sawyer Mountain. You better chill out. Some mint campsite ropes.
We're gonna have to check our jackets and shit before it's on.
Why? Psh, I ain't no wamp. I'll check myself when I get home.
I'm checking myself now because I totally forget about it.
Well, you probably have more by the time we get back down.
You have a massive head.
Thank you. Cheer.
Chad!
Some good views out there.
You realize your camera's pointing down, right?
Yep. I gotta do this. Alright, my GoPro's on. Oh, gotta get her in first though. Dual sport life. Yep. There we go. Uh-oh. Down to first. Because I went up in the second, then I went back down in first. Just stay in first, you'll be fine. Ow, I got a dirt rope in my eye. Don't. No, I left it up. Hey, I'm not getting enough air. I'm not getting enough air. Alright, we're gonna buy this house right here. Straight up. And I'm going in the second house. My engine doesn't like that. There we go. Bike life. Scary bike life. Shut up, cruiser. I'm dual sporting right now. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. Oh, this is the perfect burnout for a dual sport. It's like lock the front brake up and just start burning some tire on some dirt. Tire and dirt. Oh, we're about to go back to pavement. Here we go. Lamp. Oh, it's actually just hard packed gravel. It looked like pavement. Oh, we're going up a hill, dude. Give her the juice. Give her the juice. Actually, this is good stuff to ride on. My tires like this. Woo! Oh, there's a sharp corner. Just take it easy. Are you taking it easy? Oh, we got another sharp corner. Dual sport life. I think it is because I see some power lines. Oh, there's a stop sign here. Straight up. I don't know. Straight up stop sign rope. I'm going back to first. Oh, yeah. Hello? Hello? Let's roll. Yeah, whatever you want to call it. Of course I can. Chill. Some good view ropes today.
As I'm filming.